Hi guys, it's your girl Leilani Love, and today we're hopping right into it. You're about to see me lace this silver wig real quick. I already pre-toned it using purple shampoo and some toner from Wella, and I'm just gonna go in and do a wet cut. The best way to cut your hair on a wig is definitely when it's wet. You can see it lines a lot better, but I will also clean it up when it's dry. So the technique I'm going to be using to paint today is a weaving technique. I'm going to be doing kind of like a teasing balayage and a mixture of the bubble technique by KCO. So the bubble technique is where you just layer colors on top of each other without foils. And the pushback technique for balayage is where you just kind of tease the hair and push it back and you get all the hair to blend back in. So because this is a wig, I'm not going to actually tease the hair. I'm just gonna weave it and separate it, and then it'll all blend back together. This technique basically helps you blend your colors a lot better. If you have a hard time getting rid of the lines when you're doing like an ombre, then you could definitely use this technique. It's definitely great for blending. So you see me here just weaving. I will weave out a small section. I have like an 1/8 of an inch section. I'll be weaving that part, and then I'll take the top or the bottom part and paint it, and then just let the other part fall back on top of it. If you've never weaved before, weaving is just taking like a rat tail comb and going up and down through the hair, and you're literally picking up like every other chunk. You can make your weave as big or as small as you want to. The smaller that you do the blend, the smaller that you do the weave, like the more the hair will blend together. The bigger you do the chunks, like the chunkier the difference will be, the contrast will be. So it's just a matter of what look you're going for. I wanted to do something a little bit more blended, so I'm going to be using small pieces. I'll be picking up smaller chunks. So I'll just pick up small chunks, then flip the top up, paint the bottom, blend it up, and then bring the top back down, and that's it. I'm just gonna do this process. We'll repeat this step throughout the rest of the coloring process in the hair, and I'll just be alternating between different colors. I definitely recommend combing your colors through whenever you're fading them or color melting. It just helps like blend, gives you like a less of a line of demarcation or a harsh line. It just blends everything a little bit better. If you're doing a dark color, a light color into a dark, you definitely want to be careful though. Whenever you're using multiple colors, make sure you have a towel or a rag or multiple pairs of gloves, because you don't want to mix your colors together. Unless your colors are, in the same color family, it won't matter. But if you want to keep your colors separate, always make sure you got a towel to wipe your hands off. Alrighty, I have finished painting. I added a little stripe in the front. I just wanted to have like a few colored pieces. I didn't want it to be like fully saturated color. I wanted the main color to be silver. I'm calling this one Ultraviolet. Yes. I love how it came out. Wait till y'all see it blow dried. Stay tuned. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Love Squad. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified every time I drop that heat. And make sure you like this video. Okay guys, this is a very important tip. Whenever you are blow drying or coloring, or using heat on a light colored hair, you want to make sure you use heat protectant. And you also want to make sure you're not using very high heat, because if you have silver or white hair, it will burn. You will see brown. It will start turning yellow. So just be careful. And also if you use too high of a heat, it will also fade your colors out faster. So just make sure you're paying attention to that, and make sure you always use heat protectant. Okay, got the fresh blowout. All right, but you know the silk press gotta come next. We can't stop here. We have to keep this going. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so again, I just want to remind you, make sure you're using low heat, minimal heat, okay? Because if you have silver hair, it will definitely burn your hair or turn your hair brown. So just make sure you got your heat as low as possible where you can still straighten it, but you know what I'm saying, you ain't gotta cook it. Don't cook the hair, y'all. And ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to Miss Ultraviolet. She is seen here on a 4x4 closure wig with an elastic band. This is optional. This unit will be available on my website, Leilani'sLove.com. Make sure you check that out. You can also hit me up on Instagram. You can also customize any wig that you see on my website, that you see on my Instagram, to fit your style and your liking. You can get this with different colors, different lengths. You know, it's all up to you. But make sure before you go, you hit that like button, you hit that subscribe, so you can see some new heat, you know what I'm saying? And yes, stay tuned because I'm about to curl her up. Make sure you guys check out my website, www.Leilani'sLove.com. You can find other wigs like this, custom design wigs that I've done. And you can also find colorful lashes. Any kind of lash you can think of, I have it on my website. Make sure y'all check that out. Just give your girl some love, show some support, you know what I mean? Ladies, I have the perfect pair of purple lashes to go with this wig on my website. Make sure you check out my website. I have a style of lashes for everybody. I got the natural, I got the savage, you know what I'm saying, for my girls that like the, the fly away. You know what I'm saying? I got everything spaced out, close together. I got lashes for you. But thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you can see my next video. And until next time, peace and love.